Welcome to the Dance and Yoga Club. We have another tap tutorial for you. Now this is a little bit of a tricky one. We go heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel. Take a look at that. We do 3 and a stamp. Heel, spank, toe, heel. We dig the heel in, we spank the toe tap down, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel, and stomp. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me. Go right heel, spank, toe, heel. Left heel, spank, toe, heel. Right heel, spank, toe, heel, and stomp. Let's do that again. We go heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel, stamp. So there's 4 parts to that step. 1, 2, 3, 4, stamp. Go a little bit faster. Right and left. Right and stamp. You can count it out like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a stamp. Try it again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a stamp. I'll turn it to the side so you can see it here. Make note of how my knees are constantly going in and out of a bend. At no point are my legs completely straight. And as you become more comfortable, you can take it faster and do more in a row. Okay, let's try it on the other side. So heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Another one, heel, spank, toe, heel, and stomp. Try it again. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Try and get really crisp sounds. Heel, spank, toe, heel, stomp. I'll turn around again for you so you can watch it. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, stomp. Let's try it again. We're going to start with our left, right, left, and stomp. Let's take it a bit faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a stamp. Again. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a stomp. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a stomp. Let's take it a bit faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a stamp. Allow those knees to be nice and loose, coming in and out of that bend. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a stomp. If I were you, I would practice it nice and slowly, and each time just increase in speed, challenging yourself. Practice. Good luck.